Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see iterate over list of integers. Okay, so in order to tell what exactly the iterate over list of integers, I will explain you with an example. Okay, so let's get into this. So now let's take an example of a list. I will give the name as list1. Okay, let's try to change the name of the file here. So I will make it as list over iterate over list of integers. Okay, so so what I have done is, like, I have taken list1 is equal to, will try to pass some elements. I will give it as 4 5 6 7 8 2. Okay, so now what I will do is, for variable in list1. Okay, list1. Okay, so now I will tell you what exactly it's going to happen. I will tell you print of variable. Okay, so here you can see list1 is equal to 4 5 6 7 8 2, and here what I have done is for variable in list1. Okay, and now we are going to print that variable. Okay, so now what it's going to happen is, like, here you have seen list1 is equal to some elements where it consists of all the elements in a single line. Okay, now suppose if I try to print this particular cell or a program, so what exactly happens is, like, here you can see all the elements in a new line. Okay, so this is exactly nothing but iterating over list of integers. Okay, now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see, like, 4 5 6 7 8 2. So all the elements of this particular list has been printed in the new line. Okay, so this is all about iterate over list of integers. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.